Hello and welcome to Besides Game Development. I am an indie game developer and a gaming enthusiast. I have been playing games for a very long time now, and a few years ago I started my journey as a game developer. So although I have not worked on big game projects yet, but I have worked on many small projects exploring many mechanics and styles of games, from FPS, top-down shooters, roguelikes, puzzles and much more. So I started this series for those who love games. I always wanted to share my experiences and game development journey with a community so that I can contribute a bit and also grow as a member of this amazing game dev community we have. Besides Game Development is a channel in which I'll talk about various aspects of being a game developer and maybe discuss about few games and game designs. Currently, I'll be focusing on two series, BGD Talk and a devlogies. I'm working on a cool new game and I really wanted to share my game development journey and experiences with you guys. I'll be starting this devlog series soon and it'll be probably once every week for the devlog, and I'll post BGT Talk as they are made. I'm not much of an illustrator, but I really wanted this series to have a feeling of a casual talk. That's why I decided to go ahead with this doodle/whiteboard explanation style drawings. Okay, so what is BGT Talk all about? Well, everything related to the journey of game development. I won't focus on making how-to tutorials, as there are many amazing creators out there sharing their knowledge and helping many make games. Rather, I'll be focusing on you, the game developer. And trust me, as much as the development is important, the backstage work required to make a game is equally important. So basically, I feel that a game is a work of art which involves a lot of creativity and passion. I think just like any other artist, we game developers want to express ourselves, and we chose games as the medium of expression. People say that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, for me, a game is worth 1,000 words per second. So, just like any other indie artist, you as an indie game developer, it is really important for you to know why you want to make games. Is it because you want to create an awesome world filled with zany characters and abilities? Or maybe you want to tell a story? Or perhaps you want to explore a funky mechanics and challenge the player with cool puzzles? Or you simply want to give the player a sense of satisfaction and some medium to pass some time on, just like many mobile games do? Honestly, there are a million reasons to make a game, and that's probably the coolest part of making games, because the purpose of your game development journey is one of the most unique factors that will always influence your games. Don't just make games because someone told you the market is huge. Make games because you have something to show to the world. It might be a small thing, but these small things makes us the indie game developer people love. So, for me, when I was a kid, every game felt different and every game introduced to a new mechanics and gameplay. There was this naive expectation that in the future games will allow me to do everything and anything I ever wanted. Games seemed like a source of endless novelty, and with time I realized this was not the case, and instead games started to get a particular pattern. When you name the genre of a game, I already knew what I'm gonna expect. It was one of my biggest delusions while growing up, and that's when it clicked me. That's when I found my game dev purpose, because I really wanted to create those ideas I had in mind for a while, and hence I started making prototypes of the game ideas I had back when I was a kid. This is both nostalgic and empowering, because it made me realize that I just can't wait for others to make the game I want. I have to make it myself. So always remember, the first step in your game development journey is to seek purpose. For this, go back to the start. Never forget why you like playing games and what made you think, aha, I can probably make something cool too. Because trust me, this purpose is going to keep pushing you forward and be a constant source of motivation for making amazing games. Because behind every awesome indie game, there are a bunch of people who found their purpose. I hope you guys find your game dev purpose, which will influence you to make awesome games. Comment below why you like to make games or why you want to make games. I'm really excited to see your game dev purpose. That's all for now, folks. Take care. Bye bye.